She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Good morning, y'all. I have a really bad sore throat. It's 9 in the morning and I'm supposed to go to my friend's brunch today. I just don't know how I'm gonna make it. Like, I get really bad sore throats. And it just hurts to swallow. If I go to this brunch, this is gonna be like a silent brunch for me. I'm just be like, make some tea, see if that helps. I made some tea last night and it helps, but I always put 2 packs whenever I make tea. I don't know why, I just do. I like it to be really strong flavor. Then, y'all, I'm out of honey. Y'all, rate my throat. I'm out of honey, so I have to literally just use sugar. So really, this tea is not gonna be doing nothing for me. Like, I need honey to like soothe my throat. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm feeling a little better. Well, I'm feeling a lot more better. But I'm running late, so I'm about to hurry up and make sure I have everything and show y'all my outfit, and then I'm about to head to my friend's brunch. So basically I just woke up like super freaking with like, I think, strep throat coming on. And I drank some tea. I drank tea. I took some Tylenol and I ate cough drops. So I feel a lot better. Like, I'm able to talk. It really feels almost normal. So I'm not going to stay long because it might be cold out and I don't want to like get sick or, make it revert. But yeah, I did my makeup really quick, just something light. And y'all, this shirt I'm wearing, I'm about to show y'all, but this shirt I'm wearing, I literally bought it like 2 years ago or 1 year ago. And I never wore it, but that's what I'm telling y'all. Like, stuff comes back. Stuff comes back, or even if it don't come back, like, you still can have use for it. Whatever I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna show y'all my outfit real quick. Don't mind the jacket, but I need a better mirror. Basically, it's like a big poofy shirt with some white jeans and some pink heels. I'm gonna get y'all a better picture later on, but let me hurry up and go.
Oh Lord, that woman crazy.
That is funny.
Where you at?
I'm going to Ashley is having, Ashley.
Mm-hmm.
She having a birthday brunch. Yeah, everybody's birthday was this week, and she having a birthday brunch. Really ready? Y'all, this restaurant is so cute. Look at the tea. And they have little honey. Okay, yeah, this is mine. Thank you. Thank you. This does look good.
Those fries look yummy.
Parmesan truffle fries.
Not at all, man. Not at all. Did they take your?
This is gonna be my first time eating fish eggs.
Did they take your? Oh, no, I put it on. Oh, leave it there.
Wow, that looks really good. What is this? I got the lobster roll, y'all, with truffle fries.
Those shrimp grits look good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'm literally about to go home. I was gonna go to this pop-up shop. It was a sip and shop with my friend Ashley, the birthday girl. But my throat is just hurting too bad. So I'm about to just go home and rest like right now. I'm gonna have to go to the doctor tomorrow. So I really think I have strep throat and it's getting worse. I did have a lot of fun. Yeah, I got my seat leaning back. I am leaning. I did have a lot of fun at the at her birthday dinner. It was super cute in there, y'all. I couldn't get a lot of footage because I was like, I'm not talking. It hurts to talk, so it's not much I really wanted to record, but it was really pretty and I really liked it. And my sandwich was good. But I'm about to head home and I will see y'all when I get home. I don't think I'm gonna finish the vlog here. I'll probably finish it later, but I'll see y'all when I get home. I came home and straight took a nap. Well, I don't know if I tried to take a nap. I took this medicine. I took some Tylenol, and it kind of like made me take a nap. Yeah, y'all, basically, yeah, I don't have any soup. And anytime I have a sore throat, chicken noodle soup is like the best one for me because it's like salty and it just helps. And it's like I really want some so bad, but the way that wind outside is set up, I don't know if I can go get some. I just don't want to go outside. But that's why I hate being sick when you live by yourself, because you have to heal yourself. Like, you can't just sit at home and be sick, you know? I'm about to edit some videos because one good thing about this, even though I'm not feeling good, I'm feeling good. And yeah, I'm just about to edit a video, probably my wax review, to show y'all like the correct wax to use after I almost killed myself on camera. To find something to binge watch, which I already know what I'm gonna binge watch. I'll be watching weird shows, but I'll get into that in another video because I ain't trying to scare y'all this soon. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you liked it, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe.